Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're as excited about the new iPhone 16 as I am, you're going to love the deals Boost Mobile just dropped. Let's dive into the details. So Boost Mobile is making a splash with some awesome offers for the new iPhone 16 series. Here's the scoop. Buy the iPhone 16 at full price and you'll score a free year of Boost Mobile's $25 per month unlimited plan. Yep, you heard that right. That's a whole year of unlimited talk, text, and data absolutely free. Plus, if you're feeling a bit more fancy, you can get $25 off their $50 per month unlimited plus or $60 per month unlimited premium plans. And guess what? No trade-in or minimum number of lines is required. This could save you up to $827 over the year compared to other carriers. If you're looking for something a bit more extravagant, Boost Mobile has its $65 per month infinite access plan. This plan not only gives you unlimited 5G data and global roaming, but also a hopping $1,000 off the iPhone 16 series. And here's the kicker, an annual free upgrade to the latest iPhone model. Imagine having the newest iPhone every year without lifting a finger. And there's more. Boost Mobile has teamed up with Apple Retail for an incredible deal. With this combo, you get the $1,000 discount and access to the Infinite Access plan. And if you trade in an old iPhone, you might snag enough credits to get the iPhone 16 Pro Max for free. Starting September 13th, you can pre-order your iPhone 16 and sign up for Boost Mobile service through the Apple Store, apple.com, or the Apple Store app. I've got a link in the description to make it easy for you to grab the app from the App Store. So if you're ready to jump in, head over to boostmobile.com, Apple retail stores, or amazon.com starting September 13th. You'll find the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Max available for pre-order. To sum it up, Boost Mobile is serving up some seriously sweet deals for the iPhone 16 lineup. Whether you want a free year of service or a chance to score the latest iPhone every year, they've got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech deals. Catch you next time.